To find a four-figure good reference on an Ordnance Survey map, the first thing we have to recognise is that the numbers which are on the bottom of the map as you read them are always the eastings. So as you travel to the right-hand side, they're always going to rise in, and these are going to be your easting numbers that you're going to be working off. Then you're going to have your numbers going along the side of the map, up the top, going towards the top, and these are your northings. So as you can see, that's 24. That line going across there is 24. That line going across there is 25 all the way up. Now, if you were given the map in a portrait shape, these numbers going along the side here would still be your northings, and these would still be your eastings as you travel to the right. So no matter whether it's a landscape or a portrait, as you read it, the numbers which go along the side pointing up are your northings, and your numbers going to the side here are your eastings. So that's the first thing. From there, it's fairly straightforward. You all remember it under these letters, the letter, then the easting and the northing. Every map you get will have a letter on it. It might be a single letter, or it might be two letters, as you can see here, which we'll come to in a moment. But the letter on the map is always the first thing that you write. So W, no matter what it is that you're being asked for on this map. If we say we're being asked the nature reserve in this box here, the easting is the next digit that we give, or the first digit. And this line here looks into the right hand side, the 08. The 09, as looks into the east, is in this box. 10 looks east into that box. So this line that comes down here looks into the east. So it's a 09 box looking in there. So where easting is 09. The same idea for the northings. As you travel up, this 28 here looks into this box. So that's the same line there. So that looks into that box. So it's the nature reserve is in the 28 box for the northing. And that's your four-figure grid reference. As we saw, sometimes you can be given two letters. And for this, what we first of all have to recognise is the map of Ireland will have lots of letters on it. Here you can see it through to the alphabet, excluding I for Ireland. And the letter that you're given on the map just refers to the area of Ireland that they're talking about. And some of these boxes might cross over. So the next one I'm going to show you could be, for example, there. So it's going to have F and G. And you can see that here. W and X. So this one is down in the bottom here. W and X. That's the area of Ireland that we're talking about. Same process for the four-figure reference. The W here refers to the left-hand side of 00, because that number there would be 99, and it looks into the east. These numbers, which are X from 00 across, continue 11, that's 12 up there, and it continues across 13, 14, etc. So if I go for the post office in Youghal, we'll say, the four-figure grid reference is going to be under L, E, and N. It's going to be X is the box, or excuse me, the letter. The easting is 10, looks to the east, that line there. So it's X, 10, and 78 is the number there. Okay, a little difficult to see, but 78, okay, looks to the north. So that's your four-figure grid reference if there was two letters to come up on it.